welcome back, adventurers. It's time for the final quick rundown of the past member monthly rewards at Busch Gardens for 2025. Now, I wanted to remind you real quick, they've kind of moved this around to a different spot, but the exclusive partner rewards are still available. So there is 50% off of the Lost Pearl Pirate Adventure cruises. One place it says 5% off, another place says $5 off, so I'm not quite sure which one that is, but it is $5 off of the Pirate Water Taxi River of Lights for departures in November and December, so make sure to use that. There is a code that you need to use to get that discount. There is still the free car wash at Woody's Wash Shack for a free wipeout wash. That's a value of $25. So just click to redeem it, and one car wash per person. So hey, that's pretty good. Now for December, there is the free Christmas ornament, always exciting. You can pick this up at the Painted Camel Gift Shop, one per person. Don't get too excited, try to get multiple. It's one per person, and that's from December 1st until they are gone. There is the exclusive Pass member Christmas Town food and beverage punch card. You can get 12 samples for the price of 10, just like at SeaWorld Orlando. And so there's no other discounts on it, you just get 2 additional samples. There is a free weekday guest ticket December 1st through the 12th, and this is for bronze, silver, gold, and platinum pass members for a free weekday guest ticket. Then on the 15th through the 19th, there's an additional guest ticket. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum can all use that, but remember, it is valid only the day it is redeemed, so don't go and try to redeem it early. Only for the day it is available. There is $10 in Busch Bucks for bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, December 3rd through the 7th. And then for fund card holders, you guys get a $5 in Busch Bucks on the same dates, December 3rd through the 7th. Platinum Pass members, don't forget you get that double your discount on food and drinks. Would be good to hang on to. Maybe if you're staying for New Year's Eve, you get to have a good meal before you watch the fireworks. Would be fun. And then there is 20% off of merch. This is at Caribou Marketplace, and there must be a minimum of a $40 purchase. So no trying to go get it like a $4, $5 thing, and then probably more like $10, but let's say a $10 magnet. And trying to get you 20% off. They want you to spend just a little bit more, so just be mindful of that. There is an exclusive early access and breakfast deal. This is kind of fun. So December 7th, from 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., if you're a pass holder, it's not saying specifically which ones, but pass holder, you can get in early. The rides are subject to change, but they're saying Gwazi, Montu, Cobra's Curse, and the train. You get to ride all those early. And there is a special pass member breakfast at Zagora for just $10 while supplies last. It can include things like scrambled eggs, applewood smoked bacon, turkey sausage, breakfast potatoes, biscuits and country gravy, oatmeal, fresh fruit, and assorted yogurts. But this again is while supplies last. There will be an additional $10 bucks, and that will be the 8th through the 14th for bronze, silver, gold, and platinum pass members. Then there's 2 exclusive things for pass members. There is exclusive access to get in early, to get a spot, for the Holiday Skies Spectacular Drone Show on December 11th. So it's not just for pass members, but it just lets you get in early so you can get your viewing spot first. And then also for pass members, there is an exclusive Holiday Magic Show at 3 p.m. at the Stanleyville Theater, and that is on December 18th. So you get, I think that is only for pass members. Yeah, exclusively for pass members. So you guys can get in there and be able to see that. That is what Busch Gardens has for the month of December. Make sure to stay tuned here on Ant on the Move. We'll be back in January to share what they're doing for the first month of 2026. We'll be sharing all those details with you guys. So make sure to tune in to Ant on the Move. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed so you'll see the notifications of our videos and be able to come and find out what's happening at the parks. Talk to you guys next time.